Welcome back. Today we are tackling a very popular coding interview problem, sorting characters by frequency. This is a classic question that tests your understanding of hash maps and sorting algorithms. So, what is the challenge? The goal is simple. You are given a string and you need to rearrange its characters. The rule is that characters must appear in decreasing order of their frequency. That means the most common characters come first. Let's look at an example. If the input is the word tree, the letter E appears twice, while R and T appear once. So, in our output, the E's must come first. The result would be eart. The single R and T can be in any order after the E's. To solve this efficiently, we can break it down into 3 logical steps. First, we count how many times each character appears. Second, we sort the characters based on those counts. And third, we build the final string using that sorted order. Step 1 is all about counting. We iterate through the string and store the counts in a hash map or a dictionary. For the word banana, A appears 3 times, N twice, and B once. This map gives us the raw data we need. Now for step 2, we take our map entries and sort them. We are not sorting alphabetically, we are sorting by the frequency values from highest to lowest. So, A with 3 counts comes first, followed by N, and then B. Finally, step 3, we reconstruct the string. We look at our sorted list. We see A appeared 3 times, so we write A 3 times, then N twice, then B once. Concatenating these gives us our final answer, AAMB. Here is how this looks in code, specifically Python. We use the counter class to get our frequencies instantly. Then, we use the sorted function, telling it to sort based on the count. Finally, we join the characters together, multiplying each character by its frequency. Let's talk performance. The time complexity is O of n log n because of the sorting step. The space complexity is O of n, as we need to store the frequency map and the final output string. This is efficient enough for most cases. Can we make it faster? Yes. If we use bucket sort, we can achieve O of n time complexity. Instead of standard sorting, we use an array where the index represents the frequency. We place characters into the bucket corresponding to their count, then iterate from the highest index down. To wrap up, count the characters using a hash map. Sort them by frequency, either using standard sort or bucket sort for optimization. Then, build your result. Mastering this pattern helps with many similar frequency-based interview questions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.